So in this video, we're going to look at how to find if a string is actually a palindrome. So we're going to use, first, we're going to use a single string. Okay, so we have a string like this. So what do we actually understand with what a palindrome means? A string is a palindrome if when you reverse it, if you reverse this word, it's still going to be long. Yeah, so if when reversed is still the same as the original word, then that is a palindrome. So when you have a string like this, for instance, now you bag, you definitely know that bag is not going to be a palindrome. So because if you actually reverse bag, it gives you something else totally. So which means it's not a palindrome. So how do you do that programmatically to write a function that is going to do this for you automatically? So it's really simple. So all you got to do is just write a function def check. We can say check palindrome. Okay, and then we're just gonna put that function like that. And then inside this function, we're just going to say, so the first thing you want to do is that you want to get the original word. Okay, so the let's just say word. Okay, so we want to get the original word. Okay, and then we're going to reverse the original word. So we're just going to say reversed word equals this is how you reverse something in Python. So you're just going to take the original, you're just going to take the original word, okay, and then you are going to reverse the index. So you're going to take the the first half of the index and then the last half of the index, and then you're going to interchange it with the last index. This is going to give you a reversed word. So if you print this now, if you print reversed word, you would have seen that it would sorry, reversed word. If you print this now, you will see that we have been able to reverse this word. But now let's use a better word that's going to show that we have reversed it. So we can say car. Okay, so if we print this now, you will see that okay, so what we want to do is that, okay, we need to call the function actually. I'm going to bring this to the bottom. Okay, I'm going to bring this to the bottom, and then I'm going to print this function, which is going to be check palindrome, and then we're going to pass the argument inside there, and this is going to be the word that we want to pass into the function. And as a matter of fact, we can just say return reversed word. Okay, so we're just going to print. Now we're going to call the function right now. As you can see, it has reversed the word. So that is how you reverse the word in Python. And so basically now, after reversing the word, we're now going to check if the original word is, is actually equal to the reversed word. So we're just going to say if word is equal to reversed word, then it is going to be we can just return something like, say, we can just print something like this. We can just say the word, or let's just say, let's use an F string. So we can just say word, which is the original word, is palindrome. Otherwise, else, we can just print, that word oops, is not, why do I keep, it's not a palindrome. Okay, in this case we can say a palindrome. So If it is actually after being compared with the reverse word, if it turns out to be the same thing, then we can say it's a palindrome. Otherwise, then the word is not a palindrome. So now we're going to save and then we're going to run our function again. As you can see, car is not a palindrome. Okay, so we can um, car is not a palindrome because what we got there is RAC. Then if we change the word to lol, for instance now, and then we print, lol is a palindrome because this is the reverse one, it's the same thing. So we've been able to do that programmatically, and that's basically how it works. Okay.